For generations, the rhythm of the harvest defined human civilization. But today, that rhythm is fracturing under the weight of climate change and labor scarcity. Enter the autonomous revolution.
Engineers are now racing to automate every aspect of the food chain.
It is getting harder to find anyone willing to do the hard work.
The labor gap is reaching a critical tipping point globally.
Machine vision allows these bots to work 24 hours a day.
The data confirms that efficiency increases by nearly 40%.
But can technology truly replace the farmer's intuition? The question is no longer if, but when this transition occurs. Programming the nuance of organic growth is the primary engineering challenge. Scaling this technology remains an experimental but promising venture.
It feels like a new era is finally arriving.
As we adapt, the landscape of farming changes forever. Precision is the new currency of modern food security.
But even with data, environmental variables remain difficult to predict. Human experience remains a vital component of the agricultural process.
Yet, these machines can reach areas that were once inaccessible. Energy efficiency is currently being refined to extend their operational range.
I can focus on strategy while the machines handle the labor.
The sunset of manual labor might just be the sunrise of agriculture. Operations continue through the night, doubling the capacity of human crews. Advanced algorithms now predict potential yields with remarkable precision.
Everything is connected, everything is accounted for.
This synchronized fleet is the heart of the new agricultural system. Growth monitoring is now instantaneous for every single plant.
Hardware durability is the current focus of ongoing research.
The old ways are fading, but the future is taking root.
Agriculture is transforming from a struggle against nature to a collaboration. These lights signify a new era of automated stewardship. Global networks allow for real-time updates and optimization.
It is finally yielding exactly what we predicted.
Efficiency patterns are optimized by AI for maximum yield. Soil health is monitored through constant sensory feedback.
Research continues to push boundaries in every sector of agriculture.
Technology really has changed the game.
And the journey is just beginning for humanity. Machines see the farm through entirely new eyes. Weather predictions are now integrated directly into robot logic.
The care is still there, just automated.
Seamless operation that secures our food supply.
The result is consistent quality across every harvest cycle. Safety and precision are the core design principles here.
It is exactly how it should be.
The sky above is the limit for this technology. Minimal waste through maximum precision farming.
Metrics are trending upwards for farmers everywhere.
This is a new way to live and farm.
The future of food is secured by engineering innovation. Even machines need a moment to rest and calibrate.
Cycle continues tomorrow with renewed effort.
I trust the process now.
The next chapter in history is written in the fields.
Next morning brings new opportunities for growth.
Data collection never stops, providing a wealth of insights.
It is a good morning for the farm.
Nature and technology in perfect, early morning harmony.
The machine begins its day with precise intention.
Our work drives the success of this global mission.
The future is looking very bright today.
Agriculture is secure and expanding rapidly. Precision technology is the backbone of food security. Every plant is tracked and optimized for life.
It is finally time for us to succeed.
Humanity has solved one of its oldest problems.
Progress is measured in every healthy stem and leaf.
The team's efforts are paying off for the world.
This is what I always dreamed for my land.
A new day has arrived for global agriculture. Efficiency is the foundation of our success.
Innovation remains the key to the future.
The future is here, and it is bright.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of change.
Join the conversation online for more updates on this tech.
Subscribe for more insights into the future of humanity.
The day human farmers were replaced by something better.